Billyjack on location behind the old church over here on Queen Emma Street. I had to come back here and take a look at this. This is a restricted area. I just had to get behind here this morning. Get a video of the rear of this lovely church area back here in this historic buildings. Join me as I take a stroll around this complex. See what we can see. See what we can see back here. As I walk through the area, normally you can't get back here. It's usually busy during the day. This is what I was interested in seeing, is this building right here. Interesting brickwork. Interesting, they put a date on the fence. Keep me from guessing when all it was built, I suppose. These buildings here reek of just old world. Oh, now we're talking right here. I knew I came back here to see something. Here we go. Windows below ground. See if we can see some windows back here below ground. Oh yeah, you know it's here. You know it's fucking here. Check it out, directly below the windows. See it? See the cracks from Streets of Tartarian, what he's talking about? See the outline of the window, where it was? Cement is cracking. See the ledge right here? Follow the ledge all the way down. Here it's more and more difficult to see. These you can see pretty right there. You can see the top of the window. Comes across right here. And also the cracking behind the stucco. See it? Interesting. See another one right here. Very difficult to see that. All you have to do is look directly below the other windows. This one will have 3 directly below the 3 that are here. You can see that one. You can tell at one point the windows may have been smaller. Looking for security. There's always security around here. Look at that. More. 1, 2, 3. Another one right there. 4. 1909. You really think so? That's when they made the gate for the fence. Billyjack over and out.